Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to design high CTR thumbnails using Pikzels. I'm going to be guiding you on exactly how to navigate the Pikzels dashboard, use the brand new Analyze suite to grade your designs, and how you can use the leverage face swap feature to keep your branding consistent. We will be covering the specific settings, the secret prompting formula, and how to ethically get viral layout using the Recreate tool. If you'd like to use Pikzels at the end of this video, you can use my link down below in the description to start creating high CTR YouTube thumbnails for just $1. Now let's start with navigating the dashboard. When you first log on into Pikzels, you see a streamlined interface built for speed. The first button you need to know is the prompt button or prompt to thumbnail button. Now, unlike generic AI, Pikzels understands YouTube logic. To get a high CTR result, your prompt should follow this formula: subject plus specific emotion plus background environment plus style modifier. So here's an example based on this formula. We have a man looking terrified, holding a broken phone in a rainy dark alleyway. Mr. Beast style lighting, high contrast. Well, from this prompt, can you identify the different parts of the formula? Well, the subject is the man holding a broken phone. And then the emotion is that he's looking terrified. The background environment is in a rainy dark alleyway. And for the style modifier, we have Mr. Beast style lighting, high contrasts. Now, once you hit generate, you're going to wait a few moments and then you will have this. By the way, at the top left corner, you can see the score. And we'll be talking about that in a moment. Now, based on what you're seeing, you'll need to look closely. On a phone screen, if the viewer can't tell what the hero of the image is in less than a second, they won't click. Now, once again, here you can see the Recreate tool. It's the Pikzels reverse engineering feature. Now, this is where you get to paste a link to any viral YouTube video. Pikzels will analyze the composition and lighting of that thumbnail. Then you can use the iterate button to keep the same proven structure, but swap the element with your own. This is the fastest way to adopt a style that the algorithm is already promoting. And then you have personas and face swap. Well, to build a long-term brand, people need to recognize you. Click on the personas here. And in this case, you can click on create, and right here, you upload your base photos. Once the AI trains on your face, which costs about 200 credits, you can then hit the face swap button on any generated thumbnail, and it will seamlessly blend your face onto the AI model, thus maintaining the lighting and shocked expression perfectly. At this point, would like to remind you that if you want to get into Pikzels, you can use my link down below in the description to start creating high CTR YouTube thumbnails for just $1. And now I would like to talk about the Analyze feature. This is a great feature to use if you're to successfully design high CTR thumbnails on Pikzels. Now, once your thumbnail is generated and downloaded, you can re-upload it right here and click Analyze. Then the AI will generate a Pikzels score. Remember that 70 score we saw? Well, let's just go back. And right here, you can see 70. Now, as we click on it, you can see that this is a score of 70 and it has some more details. It has virality, clarity, idea, curiosity, and emotion. For virality, does this look like a current top performing content? Well, you can see the rating right here. For clarity, is it readable on mobile? Well, you can see that this would be clear. And of course, you can see the rating right here. And for the idea, is the concept unique enough? For curiosity, does it create a gap in the viewer's mind? And for emotion, is the facial expression exaggerated enough? So these are questions that every thumbnail maker will need to have if they need to succeed at creating a great thumbnail. Then you have the one-click fix. If your score is below 70, you don't need to panic. Of course, it's under 70, so just scroll down and you can use the one-click fix button. The AI will automatically adjust the saturation, sharpen the edges of your hero subject, and blur the background to create a bokeh effect. This ensures your subject pops against the background, which is a known psychological trigger for high CTR. The next thing we'd like to look at is the title generation. Under the titles menu, you can input a brief description of your video. Pikzels will give you 5 to 10 click optimized title options. The secret to a great video package is that the thumbnail and title must complement each other. The thumbnail should show what and the title should explain why. Now, doing all of this on Pikzels will cost you credit, and it is important to understand the credit economy. So once you go over to the pricing page, you'll need to study and see which fits your workflow based on what we've done so far. Because with each action, generation, or analysis, Pikzels will consume your credit. You of course have the essential plan at $14 per month when billed annually or $20 when billed monthly. This is perfect if you're a hobbyist. You get 2400 credits and it covers the basic prompt to thumbnail option. But be aware that it doesn't include the face swap or persona tools, which are vital for personal brands. Moving up, you have the premium plan, and the premium plan is at $40 per month when billed monthly or $28 when billed annually, and this is a great creator's choice. It gives you 18,000 credits a year and unlocks every single feature we've discussed. Then you have the ultimate plan. The ultimate plan is at $80 per month or $56 annually. This is great for agencies and daily uploaders. With this, you get 54,000 credits and most importantly, private generations. Your viral ideas won't show up in the community feed, keeping your strategy 100% confidential. In summary, designing a high CTR thumbnail is no longer about being an artist. It's about being a data scientist. It's also about having an understanding of data. By using Pikzels, you are leveraging billions of data points to ensure your packaging is as strong as your content. We've walked you through the dashboard, mastered the prompting formula, and explained what you need to do to get face swap for brand consistency. We've also showed you how you can use the Pikzels score to improve your thumbnail. The difference between a channel that stalls and a channel that explodes is often just a 2% difference in the click-through rate. And this tool is how you get the 2%. And now I'd like to talk about some more numbers. A decent thumbnail designer on Fiverr or Twitter will charge you anywhere between $25 to $100 per thumbnail. If you are on the essential or premium plan, your cost per thumbnail drops to pennies. So stop leaving your viewers to chance. Use the link below in the description to start creating high CTR YouTube thumbnails for just $1. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.